Hope you can see this, but I used a metal stainless steel zip tie. So a lot of people don't even think, a lot of people have never heard of this. So I used it was too long, so I wound it up, or tied it up together. See, these plastic ones had failed, so I'm using this. Also, I used the stainless steel zip tie below here. I don't know if you can see it, but I used it to fix the flexible what do you call it? Flexible exhaust connector. I don't know if you can see it. So anyway, I used it down there to repair the woven steel sleeve that had come off the someone else had previously repaired the sleeve with a with some screw clamps, and they had come off, so I used the half-inch wide stainless steel zip tie, and it's holding. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.